The 10 cutest animals in the world. Welcome to our video about the 10 cutest animals in the world. From furry creatures with playful personalities to chubby babies with droopy ears, these adorable animals are sure to melt your heart. Join us as we explore the unique characteristics and charming traits that make these creatures some of the most beloved on the planet. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be enchanted by the cutest animals the world has to offer. Red pandas. Red pandas, also known as firefox or cat bears, are adorable creatures that inhabit the mountainous forests of the Himalayas, China, Nepal, and India. Although they are called pandas, they are not closely related to bears and are, in fact, more closely related to raccoons and ferrets. With their soft, furry coat, bushy tails, and large eyes, red pandas are one of the cutest and most captivating species in the animal world. They are solitary and nocturnal animals, feeding mainly on leaves, fruits, and shoots, and are excellent tree climbers. Unfortunately, due to habitat loss and poaching, red pandas are classified as a vulnerable species and are declining in many parts of their range. Koalas. Koalas are native Australian animals and are known for their adorable appearance and relaxed lifestyle. They are marsupials and carry their young in their pouches, where they remain safe and comfortable. With their soft, furry coat, large ears, and flat noses, koalas are one of the cutest animals in the world. They mainly feed on eucalyptus leaves and are experts at climbing trees and sleeping during the day. Unfortunately, the koala population has dramatically declined in recent decades, mainly due to habitat loss and the chlamydia disease. Efforts are being made to protect and preserve these adorable animals. Penguins. Penguins are marine birds that live in cold areas, such as Antarctica and subantarctic islands. With their upright posture, funny waddle, and adorable appearance, penguins are one of the most beloved animals in the world. They are well adapted to the cold, with a thick layer of feathers and a layer of fat to keep them warm. Penguins mainly feed on fish and krill and are excellent swimmers and divers, capable of reaching impressive depths. They are also social animals and form large colonies during the breeding season, where they court and mate with their partners. Penguins face threats such as habitat loss, climate change, and pollution, so it is important that we continue to protect and preserve their natural habitats. Pandas. Pandas are adorable and iconic animals from China. They are easily recognized by their black and white fur, large eyes, and round face. Pandas are herbivores and mainly feed on bamboo. They are solitary creatures and spend most of their time resting and sleeping. However, when they are awake, they are very active and skilled at climbing trees. Unfortunately, pandas face many threats such as habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Because of this, pandas are a threatened species, and significant efforts are being made to protect them and preserve their natural habitat. Otters. Otters are aquatic animals that live in rivers, lakes, and oceans around the world. With their sleek, furry bodies, bright eyes, and playful behavior, otters are one of the cutest animals in the world. They are excellent swimmers and divers and can stay submerged for several minutes in search of fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. Otters are also known for their ability to use rocks to crack open shells and obtain food. They are sociable and communicative animals, often vocalizing and interacting with other otters in their group. Unfortunately, otters face threats such as habitat loss and pollution, so it is important that we continue to protect and preserve these adorable and vital animals for our aquatic ecosystems. Hedgehogs. Hedgehogs are small, spiky mammals native to Europe, Asia, and Africa. With their round bodies and pointed heads, hedgehogs are one of the cutest animals in the world. They primarily feed on insects but also eat fruits, seeds, and other foods found in their environment. During the day, hedgehogs sleep in burrows or nests made of leaves and grass, coming out at night to search for food. Hedgehogs are solitary and shy animals but can be domesticated and kept as pets in some regions of the world. Unfortunately, hedgehogs face many threats such as habitat loss and urbanization, so it is important that we continue to protect and preserve these adorable animals in their natural environment. Meerkats. Meerkats are small mammals that live in the arid regions of southern Africa. They are known for their adorable appearance, with their slender bodies and spotted fur. Meerkats are social animals and live in family groups, where they work together to ensure the group's survival. They are excellent hunters and primarily feed on insects, such as scorpions, beetles, and larvae. Meerkats are very intelligent animals and are always alert, with their eyes and ears focused on potential threats. They are famous for their upright posture and for standing on their hind legs to get a better view of their environment. Unfortunately, meerkats face threats such as habitat loss and poaching, which makes them vulnerable. It is important that we continue to protect and preserve these adorable animals in their natural environment to ensure their survival. Fennec foxes. Fennec foxes are adorable and distinct animals found in the North African desert. They are easily recognized by their large ears, which help dissipate body heat and allow them to detect moving prey. Fennec foxes are small and agile animals that primarily feed on insects, rodents, and birds. They are known for their ability to dig burrows in the ground and hide during the day to avoid the desert heat. Fennec foxes are also social and communicative animals, using a variety of different sounds to communicate with other foxes in their group. Unfortunately, fennec foxes face threats such as habitat loss and poaching for the fur trade. Because of this, it is important that we continue to protect and preserve these adorable and unique animals in their natural environment. Baby elephants. Baby elephants are some of the most adorable creatures in the animal world. With their big curious eyes and long, slender trunks, they are simply fascinating to watch. They are born weighing around 120 kilograms and 90 centimeters tall and take several years to reach adulthood. They are highly social animals, and babies are cared for not only by their mothers, but also by other family and group members. Baby elephants feed on mother's milk until about 2 years old and then start eating a variety of plants and fruits. They are intelligent and playful animals and can be seen playing and interacting with each other in their natural habitats. Unfortunately, baby elephants face threats such as poaching and habitat loss, which makes the protection and conservation of these adorable and iconic animals even more important. Sloths. Sloths are adorable animals that live in tropical forests of Central and South America. With their furry bodies and smiling faces, they are often considered one of the most relaxed animals in the world. Sloths are slow-moving animals that spend most of their time resting in trees and feeding on leaves. They have long, sharp claws that help them grip branches and tree trunks as they move slowly. Sloths are also solitary animals that prefer to be alone in their natural environments. Unfortunately, sloths face threats such as habitat destruction and poaching. It's important that we continue to protect and preserve these adorable animals in their natural habitats to ensure their long-term survival. Those were the 10 cutest animals in the world. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.